morning in Jamaica. And Angie's washing none of my clothes. I can't believe you didn't wash for me at all this trip. That's so weird. Normally when I go up, I have no dirty clothes. I have all dirty clothes going out. So weird. Where? None of my panties are in this. Never mind. Hey guys, I'm gonna be on a plane in a couple hours, and then in a couple hours I'm gonna be back in Toronto. Tomorrow these times I'll be in winter. Oh god. Anyways guys, I'm gonna waste out the rest of my space. I will see you guys when I reach in town. And yeah, out people. I'm going in town to get all my stuff to go. I'm so excited to see my baby. I miss him. I'm so excited. Can't wait till he picks me up today. Literally. Walking down these stairs. Oh, jeez. And I almost dropped. It would not be real if I didn't almost drop. Last time for this trip.
On our way to the market. St. James Bakery. Shoot, I wanted one of these, you know?
Watch out. Angie. Wait there.
Too much money? Excuse me. Watch out, you know, you
I should have get there. Oh my god, my camera skills suck when I'm wearing glasses. Thank you. He said I'm beautiful. Brown stuff. Sharna? Child support. Jamaica's market. Oh, this is the market in Montego Bay, okay guys? I feel like I got robbed at Bay City. I feel like, wouldn't it be cheaper for me to buy pimento here? Pimento? No, but come on, I already bought it. I'm not spending more money on it. Oh. Dogs everywhere as usual.
You don't need nothing in the market, so we are going.
I need the onions. Okay. Why, you can't be in the heat? You can't be in the heat?
No, not really. You know, it's combustible to go in the market, so it's going. You can still get the onions on there. $100. See, that's true. You know, buy it, right?
Ooh, but but we have apples like that over there already. I wouldn't need to get this kind of apple from here. See how close the car is to my foot? Right this so. Hand cat. Drive people. This is my last time taking a taxi in Jamaica for this trip. I got most of my stuff. I think I got almost everything pretty much. My mom's gonna be so cheesed that I didn't get her egg powder. But no, I don't have it. Even though I think I should have got her some curry. But oh well, she didn't give me the money, so that's a fair problem. She alright. Yeah, she alright. She go get her rum, that's what she want more. She'll make money back from the rum. She not make money back from the egg powder. You understand? So yeah, we're just waiting for the rest of the people them to come in here, which is gonna take about an hour. And then we'll get home and then I can pack and go home. It's a little bit after 12, so I'm good. I want to be at the airport for 6, so I got 6 hours. Well, 5, because, yeah. You know? Yeah. No more mosquito bites after today. Thank you, God. Because I can't deal anymore. Alright, guys. I just got up from a nap. It's like after 5. I am leaving. Just getting all my final stuff together. Gonna put on my winter gear. I think I'm gonna wear this tank top to the airport with my jeans. Yeah, with my jeans, and then I'm just gonna carry my shirt. Even though it gets kind of chilly here, so who knows? I might just put everything on. And then yeah, I can't believe I'm leaving. I don't want to ball when I get to the airport, as I always do, but. Yes. Look on the ear where she do. Look on the ear where she do. Look on it. Anyway. My brother, he's so excited to get his bed back or go back in his room. Aren't you, Tijil? No. Can't stand him, you see? Like, I can't. Are you coming to the airport? Why?
Because I want to see you when you're done.
You want to see me go? You want to see me go? You ready to see me go? You don't know? Yeah? I think you're ready to see me go. I'm ready to go. Anyways, people, when I'm heading to the airport, yeah, I'll pull this out again. I'm tired. Like, I want to sleep. I can't wait to get on this plane and just sleep tonight. Like, honestly, I can't wait to sleep tonight. Anyways, yeah, I'm not going to bore you guys right now. I'll record when I'm out and about. Now, hopefully me and Tiffany get there at the same time so we can get the same seats. Like, the same row of seats, or yeah, or I'm gonna ask them, like, if I can. If not, I'll wait for her, because I'm not sitting by myself. Even though I'm gonna be sleeping, I don't really mind, but I'd rather sit with somebody that I can have conversation with. So yeah, but anyways, bye guys. Bye. Suitcases, everything is out. Bye, room. Until next time, okay? I'm not gonna cry yet. I'm not gonna cry yet. It's not time yet. No, God. This is the last time I'm using this corrupt charger. You guys, look, my dad's naked. Woo! Best baby brother ever, because he's just slaving away at cleaning off my shoes, my nice shoes that I gotta wear to foreign. And then my husband is messaging me, telling me how excited he is to see me. You kept me so much on my way. Daddy, can you pay for me to stay? Buy house, buy table where I eat my breakfast every day. I'm gonna miss you, table. Seti, I'm gonna miss you here. I know you make all like mosquito them bite me. Me go miss you still the same way. What is in my pocket? My pants. Bathroom. I'm gonna miss you too here. All you mirror, I'm gonna miss you because you help me get ready and all these things. You understand? Bye. To Jill's room. Bye. You get it back. Or daddy gets out of this room and gets my room back. Until next time. Thank you for your hospitality. As always, Anchovy, you were great to me.
You didn't take any pictures out there this
Nope.
time? You didn't take any here this time?
Nope. Goodbye, workshop. No more banging on the steel. No more welding noises. None of that. Until next time. That's not me. Yeah, you know me. I take long to get ready. I'm perfectionist. And you're gonna stand up here and make him cuss. The walk where you walk through the house when you're not supposed to be in the house. Hello! Move! One last time.
Thank you.
Bye! Bye, Patrick's van, truck that kept me up throughout the day, wouldn't let me sleep.
Yeah.
Goodbye, Anchovy. Me go ball, daddy, me go cry.
What to do? No, my hand, me go push in here so and the steering come out.
Bye! Goodbye, Herbert Morrison. Goodbye, Cumsey, where I spent most of my vacation. Oh my God! Goodbye, Jerkies. Goodbye. Bye, Texaco. Wanna guess too dear, but bye. Bye. Bye, Sakura! Oh, God. Oh, wait. No. Wait. It's coming. Oh, wait, no, it was over there. But, yeah. Bye, Sakura. Scotiabank, I'll see you in Canada. Goodbye, buses that play amazing music that my daddy does not like to hear.
Me not like here, but can be amazing.
Why make sure I broke for me back?
Be proper. Daddy, is all of this the hip strip? Or is it just from like that point on, like closer down to dead end? Bye, Aquasa. It's all of it, you know. Okay. Think about what everybody can't keep up. Everybody can't keep up because they're tired or something. Huh? You get what? Oh. Nighttime comes so fast after 5. Jeez. Is it? Shit, 6:30? Let's try. It should say goodbye Jamaica, like how it says welcome to Montego Bay. It should say goodbye. Although they know I probably. I don't know. We normally just come off like here.
Everything's gone. In at Teeth and West Strip. Y'all. This guy really still has this flower in my head. Said she's not even nearby because the lady was like, if you're traveling with somebody, they need to come now. So I guess they're cutting it off soon because look, it's empty. It's empty, guys.
This late.
Well, remember, she's coming from John's Hall. Let's get on the show. Daddy, I don't want to go.
Show on the road, eh?
I don't want to go.
You don't have to go. Take back the suitcase, them and come on.
I can't believe $5,000. When she first told me,
No, not much, you know, but but why?
Daddy, no,
Why?
because when
What
you
is that
think about
for?
it, it's like, what is in my suitcase that I need to pay like $60
They
for?
not think about what you have in there. They just think about it's a piece of luggage.
But at the same time, like, don't people travel with luggage? Like,
You're supposed to.
so our luggage is gonna be cheaper now? Like, are they gonna be $1? Because a good luggage is like a hefty price.
So you're just robbery.
And then, like, are they gonna change what the weight is?
Never.
Because I remember,
Maybe they will reduce it a little more.
like,
Instead of 5, instead of 50.
it's gonna be like 40 deep. Like, I'm ready to go. Not ready to go, but you know.
I'm never ready.
Oh God, Daddy, oh God. Daddy, please, can I stay? Okay, bye.
Let's sit around something I go.
My face. I love you too. Oh,
Have a safe one.
thank you. I'll call you when I get up.
It's only 4 months.
What? How many more months? 4? Alright. Bye, guys. I'll miss you guys so much. Oh my God. Okay, bye. Honestly, I have to go. And everything is closed. I'm leaving now. I'm inside. Like, the plane is out there somewhere. Out there. I don't know where, but I miss my dad already.
Good evening, everyone, and welcome to your Western Flight 266 on service into Toronto. The ceremony is being in pre-boarding. We only invite guests from with infants and small children.
By exit sign. The cabin pressure is controlled for your comfort and safety. If this should change, 4 oxygen masks will automatically drop from the panel located above your head. Stay seated and pull mask towards you to start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth, securing it behind your head with the